Applications of colloids. Due to the presence of electrical charge on colloidal particles, they are good conductors. Some important applications of colloids are rubber plating. The negatively charged rubber particles from the rubber sole are deposited on wares and handles of different tools by electroplating. Sewage disposal. Sewage water contains particles of dirt, rubbish, etc., which are of colloidal size, carry charge, and therefore do not settle down easily. These particles can be removed by electrophoresis. Cottrell smoke precipitator. Smoke is made free of colloidal particles by passing it through Cottrell precipitator installed in the chimney of an industrial plant. Formation of delta. When river water comes in contact with seawater, coagulation of colloidal particles occurs. These coagulated clay particles settle down at the point of contact and gradually river bed starts rising. Artificial rain. It is caused by spraying oppositely charged colloidal dust or sand particles over the clouds. The colloidal water particles of the clouds get neutralized and coagulate to bigger water drops which cause artificial rain. Purification of water. The colloidal particles present in water can be precipitated by addition of small amount of alum. The Al+3 ions furnished by alum help in coagulation of impurities which are present in the colloidal form. Emulsions. An emulsion is a colloidal dispersion in which both dispersed phase and the dispersion medium are liquid. In an emulsion, fine droplets of one liquid are dispersed in a continuous medium of another liquid. Emulsions are of two types: oil in water and water in oil. Oil in water. In these emulsions, some droplets of oil are dispersed in water. For example, milk is oil in water type of emulsion, in which liquid fat is the dispersed phase and water is the dispersion medium. Water in oil. In these emulsions, water is the dispersed phase and oil is the dispersion medium. Stiff greases are emulsions of water in oil type, in which water is dispersed in lubricating oil. Colloids around us. Colloids play a very significant role in nature and our daily lives. Some important examples are as follows. Blue color of the sky. It is due to scattering of light by colloidally dispersed dust particles in air that sky looks blue. Fog and mist. They are colloidal systems. When large mass of air containing dust particles cools below its dew point, the moisture present in the air condenses on the dust particles, forming fine droplets. Food items. Most of the food items are colloidal in nature. Blood. It is a colloidal solution of an albuminoid substance. Soils. Fertile soils are colloidal system, and on account of their colloidal nature, soils absorb moisture and nourishing materials for plants. Paints. All paints are colloidal dispersions of solid pigments in a liquid medium. Medicines. Many medicines are colloidal in nature. The medicines in colloidal form are easily absorbed by body tissues and are more effective. Digestion of fats. The digestion of fats is aided by emulsification. Applications of colloids. Due to the presence of electrical charge on colloidal particles, they are good conductors. Some important applications of colloids are rubber plating. The negatively charged rubber particles from the rubber sole are deposited on wares and handles of different tools by electroplating. Sewage disposal. Sewage